All right, good morning and good afternoon. So we'll be covering Bitcoin. Now, for Bitcoin, we have these relative equal lows being seen here on the daily time frame. Under it here, underneath these relative equal lows, we have sell-side liquidity resting below here. Now, why do I choose this as our drawn liquidity for the Bitcoin? Even though we've been ranging since the beginning of February, we've been ranging lower. Now, we've already purged buy side liquidity on the 20th of January. So, we purged out buy side liquidity and then price dropped lower, meaning price has price is seeking to distribute these buy stops with resting sell stop orders. It did that here and swept the sell stop liquidity here that was engineered after price purged out buy side liquidity. Price created price engineered this sell stops here and then dropped lower. So we're going to indicate the PDRs that we can see. So we have sell liquidity resting here at 89,397.96, which is our drawn liquidity for the for Bitcoin. Now, looking to the left hand side, you notice we have this imbalance here, which was created in price. And remember, price does one of two things: rebalances an imbalance or goes to pair up liquidity at a liquidity pool. So we are currently interested in this imbalance here as our drawn liquidity. Now I do not necessarily need price to trade inside of this imbalance here for me to be profitable. I just need price to drop lower to capitalize on the movement from this point in price to these lows, and ultimately this imbalance here. So with that out of the way, let's get right into it. So this self liquidity target, it is also the previous monthly low, which is January's low. So we are targeting January's low from this current February's price action. So we opened for the year at we have the New Year's opening price here. New Year's opening here, and we engineered liquidity on both sides of the market, on the sell side and on the buy side, and price traded higher to neutralize these buy stops and also the buy stops resting above this liquidity pool, because this was our previous all-time high before this current all-time high was created on the 20th of January. So we're currently trading above the New Year's opening. Let's indicate this as the New Year's opening so we don't get confused by what price is. So remember, from the previous video just uploaded, we understand that price for a sell position, price trades above the opening price to pair up buy stops. Those buy stops will later at a future time in price be redistributed to the downside, which makes the market an efficient market. So for Bitcoin to be efficiently delivered, price has already paid up liquidity on the buy side above New Year opening price. Then we are seeking price to trade lower below sell side liquidity to pair up the buy side liquidity that was paired up that was taken from above the marketplace. We are seeking that buy side liquidity to be paired up with resting sell orders because the buyers that bought here below these lows here, they've trimmed their stop losses to these lows. So their stop loss has been adjusted from this low to this low. So they are when price neutralized some of them here, a few of them still have their stop loss resting below the January's low, seeing this as relative equal lows. And the logic from the general public, they see relative equal lows as a strong support level, meaning that level should hold. And our own personal understanding is that when we have relative equal lows, we understand that traders will place stop losses below these relative equal lows. So we are seeking to pair up our sell position with the sell side liquidity, which is resting below this relative equal lows for profit taking. All right. So let's see. I think that will be all for Bitcoin until Thursday's trading. So Thursday we're going to review Bitcoin and also post an execution video for Bitcoin. So hope you've got something from this video. Have a nice day and good luck, good trading.